Friends, today we're going to see how to make Kozhukattai or Modak. Is a very popular South Indian dumpling made from rice flour with a filling of the grated coconut, jaggery or peanut and sugar. So friends, today is a Vinayagar Chaturthi. Friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. Friend, today is an important festival. Is a Lord Ganesha's birthday and we prepare Kozhukattai as an offering, as a Naivedya for this Vinayagar Chaturthi. So friends, this is traditional, and so let's see what you need. So today I have a 2 cup rice flour. So I just use the packet rice flour and 2 cup water. So equal amount 1 to 1, and pinch of salt and ghee. This is for the wrapping. So filling, today I plan to make 2 different fillings. One is a coconut jaggery. For coconut jaggery you need a 1 cup coconut, half cup jaggery. For peanut, 1 cup peanut and half cup of light brown sugar and pinch of cardamom powder. So in the pan or pot add a water. So as I told you, the ratio it should be equal 1 to 1. So I just add a 2 cup water, pinch of salt and half teaspoon ghee. So let it boil. Once start boiling point, we're going to add the rice flour. We try to add it little at time so we don't have create lot of lumps or uncooked flour. So you just take the behind a wood spoon or any stick, chopstick is work, friends. So just try to mix quickly and you need to turn off the stove in this time. So friends, try to mix as fast you can so the nice form of dough will form and the dough really sticky. So I show you friend, now this dough is soft and sticky. We need to set this dough at least 30 minutes. So once it's set, then we're going to knead it at least 50 minutes. So friend, put the lid on and let's set. Now I'm showing how to make a cardamom sugar. We just have an equal part cardamom and sugar, blend it to the nice powder. So friend, this cardamom sugar is really huge benefit for the making tea, chai tea or any Indian dessert. So friend, now we're going to make a first filling. It's a coconut and jaggery filling. So we're going to make this caramel or burnt brown sugar. Just burn the equal part of sugar and water. So I just add about 2 tablespoons sugar and 2 tablespoons water. Once it's caramelized, and we're going to add all that jaggery and little bit water. So once melted nicely, we get like at least 1 string consistent, and we're going to add this grated coconut. So there's so many different filling we can make. I leave it in the description below. The type of filling, you can add a co-op filling or black sesame fillings and so many varieties, friends. So I just add the cardamom powder. Now I'm adding the grated coconut. So today I'm having the fresh coconut. So this is good with the fresh coconut only. You always can use the frozen coconut or whatever you have available at home. So friends, especially when we serve as a prasad for the god prasadam, we always prefer the fresh ingredient. So please be consider and try to make it clean as you can. So friends, now I already mix it. It's become so thick. Once it's cool, we can easily make inside the filling inside the dough. Now I'm showing how to make the peanuts and sugar filling. So friends, I have the roasted peanut. I just blend it. So once I blend it, it's oil already start breaking in that point, Now I just add that light brown sugar and I mix it, press it down so the oil itself break with the sugar, and it's nicely we can form as a small dough or ball. And then I just add the cardamom powder for little bit flavor. So friend, keep it ready the small peanut ball so we easily can fill inside this dumpling. So friends, this is the important step. I'm showing how to make soft dough. So it's all about kneading process. So friends, remember we already made the dough. Now it's little cool, so I just try to knead it. The dough really soft. It's little bit like a play dough or chapati dough. It's really nice, soft. Moisture all is there. So just keep kneading and you definitely can form a nice soft dough. So friend, this dumpling or modak is very famous and we serve for prasad for the god Ganesha or Vinayagar. So in this have a from the Padma Purana, there's another interesting story regarding why Ganesha loves modak. So once the devas and devis came to home visit Shiva and goddess Parvati, and they presented divine modak. It was a special modak, and who the person who eat was supposed to become knowledgeable in all sculpture, science, and art and writing. So friends, this is the significance. Like we celebrate the uh, Lord Ganesha's birthday, and we serve this is his favorite food or his favorite sweet. So so friend, they have everything in our religion or culture. We consider what we make or some signification reasons behind. So now the dough is ready. You must see that it's very soft dough, and you easily can sculpture or any you can shape anything. So friend, if you find too hard to press it down, you just add a few drops of oil or water, then you can easily press it down and you easily can sculpture or you can form any shape you want. So I just make a round shape and I just press it all the edges. I like to make like a small dumpling and press it to the end. So now I just press it all together and now it's formed nicely. You can see it's so pretty, and we're going to make it all at one batch. So friends, you can feel any favorite fillings. Please check the description below to find out more alternative of fillings you can make. And I have a new other version of filling that I already made it before, like dry fruits, dry nut fillings. That's also so good. So friend, it's pretty much easy. So friend, you also can make different shape like a croissant shape. You just make it a flat round shape and just combine all the edges, both of edges together, flip down and just press it down. That also you can make it. So many different shape or you can make it. You can make like a small ball. You just fill up and press it the edge and you make it like a ball. So it's all your choice. You can make any shape. Now friends, I'm just do the same design for my peanut filling. So just press it down and close the edge together. So we're going to steam all these modak for 10 minutes. So once we steam, and I'm going to show you how it came out. So friend, this is so special. We always make this delicacy, and nowadays we made a savory version too. So I'm going to post that recipe pretty soon too. So friend, now it's ready. So please put any wet towel while you keep it ready so the dough not getting dry. Now the steaming pot is ready. I just put one banana leaves on the underneath, so it's really give nice fragrance to our modak. So friend, just arranging all that modak in a little between gap. No need to because it's not going to raise or going to be shake. It's going to be remaining same shape, and steam for 10 minutes. So friends, so let it steam. Now it's ready. Look at this, so cute and smells so good friends. The banana leaves really give nice fragrance. So I just arranging all. Meanwhile, I'm going to complete another batch. So just it's hot, so I just place on the tray. So friends, once it's cool, I'm going to show you how it's look inside. So friends, it looks so good, can't wait to try one. So before that, I like to serve to the god, and we get blessing, then we can enjoy this delicious dumpling. So I did the puja, and now I'm going to show you friends what is look inside. So I'm cutting now is a peanut and sugar. Look at friends, it's soft inside the fillings. Now this is a coconut jaggery. So friends, it's so good, soft and so yummy, and the fillings really good. It's not too sweet, it's just perfect with the coating outside, and then the fillings, the coconut jaggery just yummy and it's sweet and just perfect, and the peanuts is all-time favorite. It's just perfect friends. So this is the we do the puja. So friends, the remaining flour, I made a small statue of the Lord Ganesha. It's so cute, it's come out so cute, and this is the our celebration of Vinayak Chaturthi. I hope you enjoy this festive video. Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you friends.